The Cat Track Clamp Master Link is designed to improve track installation efficiency. This clamping master track link assembly replaces both slip style and press fit joints, two methods that can be time-consuming to install. Using bolt clamping force, the Cat Track Clamp Master Link closes the gap in the track, creating pin retention. That means you can more easily remove and install the track without tooling, field presses, driving pins, or hammers. The benefits of the Cat Track Clamp Master Link also include ease of serviceability through a durable master joint link. On certain excavator models, the Cat Track Clamp Master Link offers 25% higher pin retention compared to the Press Fit Master, and a 50% improvement compared to the Slip Fit Master. With the Cat Track Clamp Master Link, you don't need to use a labor-intensive portable field press or a special master pin for the Trackmaster Link. And we offer the Cat Track Clamp Master Link for a variety of hydraulic excavators, covering all types of undercarriages, including general duty and heavy duty. If you're ready to reduce your downtime and get back to work quickly, contact your local Cat dealer to see if the Cat Track Clamp Master Link is available for your excavator.